In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a transparent header in Wix Studio. If you're getting started with Wix or looking to enhance your website design, this is a quick and easy tutorial to help you give your site a sleek, modern look. Creating a transparent header is not only stylish, but it also allows your site's background design to shine through, giving everything a cohesive appearance. To begin, let's dive right into Wix Studio. Once you're in, you'll find it's actually quite straightforward to achieve this effect. For those of you who may not be familiar yet, Wix Studio is a versatile platform that allows you to create stunning websites with ease. We're going to be changing the opacity of a specific section, specifically the header, to create that seamless, transparent effect. Let's get started. First, go ahead and click on the section header that you wish to make transparent. You'll want to direct your attention to the Inspector tab. This is the area where you can adjust the settings and design elements of each part of your website. It's a powerful tool that offers a lot of customization options, so it's worth spending some time familiarizing yourself with it, if you haven't already. Once you're in the Inspector tab, navigate to the Design tab. This is where the magic happens. Look for the color slider. You'll notice this slider allows you to adjust the opacity of your header. For this tutorial, we need to make the opacity 0%. By doing this, you lift the color out of the header completely, rendering it transparent. Feel free to play around with different opacity levels if you want a slight hint of color, but for a full transparent effect, take it all the way down. Next, let's check to make sure everything looks as expected. Click on the Preview button. This step lets you see your website as your visitors will see it. Here, it's essential to confirm that the contents of your header, like text, links, or buttons, remain visible and interactive. You want the background to disappear, not the functionality of your header. As you scroll through the website, you'll observe that the background elements like designs or images can now be viewed through the transparent header. This feature is particularly useful when you have intricate graphic designs that you don't want to be obscured by a solid header. And there you have it. Creating a transparent header in Wix Studio is a simple but effective way to elevate the aesthetics of your website. Not only does it create a clean and modern look, but it also enhances the overall visual flow of your site by allowing your background design elements to be part of the header space. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to check out our other videos to learn more tips and tricks for getting the most out of Wix Studio. Until next time, happy designing!